Good morning, everybody. Well, if you've been following my Instagram at ScottyFP, you've probably noticed that I've gotten a little bit into fishing. It's a lot of fun and it doesn't add too much weight to my backpack when I hike into a lake and do some fishing or backpack into a lake with all of my extra gear. So I've really been enjoying fishing, and it's currently a holiday weekend. And if you're familiar with holiday weekends in the mountains, everybody and their brother, nephew are up in the mountains, and it's crazy, crazy, crazy. Parking is absolutely crazy, and I still want to go up to the basin and do some fishing, but I don't want to have to deal with all the parking. So I thought, what a great idea. I should take my fat tire e-bike and bypass all the traffic, scope out the lakes, scope out the fishing spots, and just pull over whenever I need to. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna park at the bottom of the road here and then take my fat tire e-bike up to the lake basin and do some fishing. And I think I'm gonna bypass a lot of this traffic, and I think this is a brilliant idea. All right, I've got my whole kit set up. Got my bag, tripod. I was able to mount my GoPro to my backpack, so I'm pretty excited about that. Fishing rod, some water, and my main camera is in here, and ready to go up to the mountains. Let's go ride this bad boy. All right, guys, we're getting going here, and I'm gonna map this ride just to see how long this trek is. I'm currently in town right here. Not sure if you guys can see that, and I'm gonna go up to these lakes up here. So that should be a lot of fun. All right, let's get it. Man, I tell you what, after being pulled up this hill on this powerful bike, I think I'll only ride fat tire bikes going forward. Man, this thing is great. I'm going 22 uphill. Woo! Woo-hoo! Yeah, it's super busy up here, and I'm glad I brought the bike because I can already see that parking lot's full. And check this out. Beautiful, beautiful. Woo, so beautiful up here. You can tell it's a holiday weekend. All right, just rolled into Twin Lakes Campground, and that means Twin Lakes. See how the crowds are in here? Man, this is the best way to get around, no lie. Morning. I love camping here. I haven't camped here in a while.
I'm sorry.
It is so crazy here. So I know I've only done about 7 miles. It was all uphill, but the battery on this thing is lasting. It's crazy. I feel like this is a longer range, all-terrain, fat tire e-bike. If you guys can tell, it's my first time using it. Oh my gosh, it's so powerful. As soon as I pedal, it starts going. Jeez. All right, let's go find a spot to fish, get away from these people, go up a little higher. feel like Lake George is gonna have all the good stuff. Guys, this is exactly why I rode the bike. Look at this. Everybody's going up, turning around. I'm gonna just roll right up, get my fishing rod out, and have the time of my life. All right, y'all. Coming into Lake George. Good thing I got these fat tires, or else I don't think I'll be able to film at the same time. Ooh. Man, this is great. It is gorgeous out here. Show you what I'm working with. Got my little tackle box. I put one of these little split shots onto the line, in addition to my trusty Panther Martin. This thing was great a couple nights ago. So, see how it goes here at this overfished lake. I think it's time to move on to the next lake. Having no luck here, but it is gorgeous. Well, that last lake kind of sucked. Had some sucky people next to me throwing rocks, trying to skip rocks while I'm fishing. So, I didn't see any fish in there either. So just left, and now I'm at the lower lake, and see if I can get some fish down here. Such a gorgeous day out here. I'm gonna go down here because I think there might be less people and possibly some good fishing spots. Here we go, here we go. It's more like it. Oh, this is great. Yes. Still have quite a bit of juice as well. So I should have no problem getting back down to the car. All right, guys, got this new spot here. So much better. Let's see if I can get at least one trout. I did see a fish jump right when I got here, so that was a promising sign. All right, guys, I've been here about 20 minutes. Not a single bite, so I think I'm gonna call it a day. Ride back down to the car. Oh man, this is great. Just too many people. Way too many people. All right. All right, time to head back down to town.